Yeah, this is an banking application from the book Java How to Program. It's a third chapter. The book used in universities. Okay, this is first example in this chapter. Import Java UTIL scanner account. It's balance. It's private. Here it's a account. It's a double initial balance. Okay. In the when the instance is created, it will have an initial balance. When the initial balance is greater than 0.0, it will put the value into balance. Balance is private to this account. So each and every account instance, when it is created, there will be a one value. It's balance. It's unique for the specific account instance. Okay, double in this is get balance. It is returning balance. It's returning a double value. Here it is credit. When you put some amount here, it will add with the balance. Then this is account test, where the things are being executed. Here it's a main method. It's a account test. Is a class name. It's public because here is the only one public class. Here we can have one public in one source code. Here is public static. Okay, word method. Here we are giving 50 as initial balance. Here it is minus 7.53 as the initial balance, so it is not going to be added with the balance because it's less than 0.0. Okay, system.account balance is something, it is a float value. Okay, it's again account balance. Then here it's scanner. We are getting scanner, util scanner, so it's scanner. Input new scanner is system.in. It's deposit amount. Here system.okay. Here deposit amount input next double. It's getting next double from the user and putting that into deposit amount. Here it is deposit amount is going to print. No, we are going to print the deposit amount, and before that account one dot credit, we are putting this deposit amount to making change here. Credit amount, it was going to add with the balance. Okay, first thing here again account balance, something like this. Here we are going to print a double value, and here get balance, like that. Here we are going to get balance, or this two get balance going to display for the instance of account 1 and account 2. Okay, this part finished, and then enter the deposit for account 2. Okay, we are going to begin the account 2 part. Deposit amount input dot next double. It's going to take the next input from the user. Here it's adding the account to adding to account to balance. Here is deposit. Then the account to dot credit is using method of account, and going to put this amount to the private double balance. Okay, then okay, here going to put private. Then they are displaying get balance. Account 1 dot get balance is going to use the method of account get balance, and going to show the balance here. Account 1 balance is here something like this, and account 2 balance is here something like this. Okay, this is the end. Okay, I will try the example. Okay, I compile the code and I'm going to run the code. Okay, enter the deposit amount for a lot of money. Okay, here it's something like already there is a 50 and other one is 0. Then now enter the deposit amount for account 2. I'm going to this means okay 3 or it's 300. Okay, the balance here is something like this. Okay, this is the end of the example which is stated in that book. Okay, here again it's some modified something else here. Okay, this is also a banking example. Here in using J option, here account, it's the same account class. Here double initialize. Okay, it's a credit date, same thing. Here something different. Account test D is the class. It's account 1 is a saving problem. I put D here. Account 1 is something like this. Account 2 is something like, say we can change 50 into 200. This is may have some positive value. Okay, system data account balance is something like this. Okay, this is the same code, and account to get balance. Okay, this is showing going to show the balance in command prompt. Double deposit account, I'm saying something at deposit amount here. Then here string name is equal to name here, and J option pane show input dialog into the first value to the customer A. Here deposit amount double dot phrase double name is going to change the string into double and put the amount here, and after that I'm going to make a string that welcome was entered, something else entered in the account A. Okay, and then system.out.println adding to the account 1 balance deposit amount. Okay, this is the same thing. Here is here's the operation. Account 1 dot credit deposit amount is going to deposit something in the instance, first instance. That means the account holder 1. Okay, it's going to deposit something. Okay, system data outer. Okay, it's going to show the balance. Is going to show the balance by using the get balance method. Okay, message. Here we are making a message format. Dear customer A, is your balance. Double dot here. I'm changing the double value into string. Okay. Here again I'm going to change the double value into string and making a message, and I'm going to show the message here. This is customer A, dear customer A, dear customer B. Okay, here the same thing, enter the deposit account. Okay, this is enter the value of B. The same thing we are going to show input dialog. We are going to input something. Here is a name again, the as we done before to the customer A. Here it's deposit. Here the real change happening here. Account 2 credit. Account 2 credit deposit amount something. A message. Here we are going to make a message, the dear customer, and we are going to show, and dear customer B, we are going to show the message. That's all. We try to run. It's modified by me. Within I think half an hour or something. Okay, enter the value of customer we create the customer A, this much is your current balance. Okay, 50 already we have. Okay, dear customer B, 0 if your current balance, something wrong. Okay, you see, they enter the value of at customer B. Okay, customer B is 4,000. Okay, the dear customer A is 4,000 something, customer B is 4,000. Okay, we can look at what is in here. It's a 7.5 something. It's account 2. It's account 2. Here when it's created, the balance must be added with the, it's greater than 7.53. Try some other example. Okay, yeah. Yes, 3,000 something. Okay. It's 300A, so it's 500 total and 3,000 is balanced. Okay, it's not 3,000 plus. Okay, 500. Okay, here it's A1 have 500 and B1 have 3,500. Okay, it's cool. Why things went wrong? It's 4.99. Okay, yeah, it's again I compile this one. Here is 400. What happened? It's 400 is having 600. It's exactly showing the right balance now. Okay. Second one is 500. Okay, it's 600. 504. Okay, I'm satisfied with this.